Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to create a mobile responsive website in Canva. So I'm going to walk you through a step-to-step guide on how to create a friendly website in Canva. So make sure you ensure your site is looking good on all devices. So I'm going to give you a step-to-step guide to achieve that. So the first thing you have to do is to visit the Canva website, then sign up for an account or log in if you already have an account. Then from there, search for a website in a Canva search bar and select a template that suits your need. Then Canva offers a variety of templates that are already optimized for mobile device. Then from there, customize your design. So to customize that, you have to use the Canva's drag and drop editors to customize your website. And after that, add your own image, your text, and other elements to make it unique and fantastic. Then ensure that your design is clear and easy to navigate on mobile device. You can also use the mobile design preview for that. Then after that, before publishing, preview your website to see how it looks on different devices. Canva allows you to preview your design on desktop, tablet, and mobile screen. So after that, make any necessary adjustment to ensure your website is fully responsive. This might include resizing image, adjusting the text placement, and ensuring buttons are easily clickable or smaller screen. And after that, once you're satisfied with your design, click on the publish button. You can now choose to publish your website using the Canva domain or connect your own custom domain to your Canva. And after that, once you're done, share your website. So after publishing, share your website link with other audience. You can also use a URL shortener or a custom domain name to make your website links more professional. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more content like this.